Thinking about contraception? This short film will explore the contraceptive implant, what it is and how it works. You may have heard of it referred to as the implant, implanon, or Nexplanon. What is the contraceptive implant? The implant is a small, flexible plastic rod about the size of a matchstick that sits in your upper arm and releases a hormone called progesterone. How does it work? Normally, every month an egg is released, which allows you to become pregnant. If you have the implant fitted, it'll release a small amount of hormone to prevent an egg from being released. The implant won't protect you from sexually transmitted infections, so it is important to use condoms when in a new relationship. You can have the implant fitted at the Sexual Health Centre, GP surgery, or community contraception clinic. What are the benefits of the implant? The implant is the most effective contraceptive in preventing a pregnancy and is over 99.9% effective. It can last for up to 3 years, and your fertility will return to normal once it is removed. Once the implant is fitted, you will not need to remember to take other forms of contraception for up to 3 years, so it's especially good for those who forget to take tablets every day. Are there any downsides to the contraceptive implant? A third of women with the implant will experience infrequent bleeding. Around 1/4 will experience prolonged or frequent bleeding, and around 1/5 will have no bleeding at all. These changes in bleeding pattern are likely to stay irregular. There is a small risk of an infection at the implant site, and you should seek advice from your doctor or nurse if the site becomes red, hot, or you develop a fever. Rarely, the implant may be too deep in the skin in the arm, and if this happens, you may need to see a specialist. How is the implant fitted? The appointment will last around 30 minutes, but placing the implant is very quick. You will not need to have an intimate examination for the implant to be fitted. Your doctor or nurse will numb the skin, so it shouldn't be uncomfortable. A device is used to insert the implant under the skin. You can't see the implant once it's in, but you can feel it if you touch the overlying skin. Your doctor or nurse will teach you how to check it is in the right position. Your arm may be a little bruised for a couple of days, but after that, all of your activities can carry on as normal. There's also no need for a routine follow-up appointment. Once the implant is fitted, you may need to use additional contraception for 7 days afterwards, depending on where you are in your cycle. The implant can be removed at any time, which is easily done by numbing the arm and taking the implant out through a small procedure. Overall, the contraceptive implant is a very effective method at preventing pregnancy. It is safe and can be used for up to 3 years. For more information, visit the Bristol Sexual Health Centre website or FPA website